Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Riverfolk Company in Root. This unique faction thrives on trade and interaction, acting as the Woodland's premier merchants. You'll be selling valuable services to other players, using your otter warriors and trade posts to build a powerful economic engine. A key feature is your public hand of cards, which lets everyone see what you have for sale. Plus, your otters can move freely along rivers, giving you excellent mobility. To begin, you'll place 4 of your otter warriors in clearings connected by the river. Your 9 trade posts start on your player board, ready to be deployed. Establishing a trade post is crucial. You spend 2 funds from the ruling faction of a clearing to place one there. These posts are vital, as each one in a clearing with another faction's pieces allows that player to purchase an extra service from you each turn. The Riverfolk offer 3 distinct services: selling a card from your hand, granting riverboat movement, and providing mercenaries for battle. At the start of your evening phase, you strategically set the price for each service. When another player buys a service, they give you their warriors, which first go into your payments box, then become your funds. You then commit these funds to take various actions during your daylight phase. Your path to victory involves scoring points primarily by establishing trade posts and crafting items. Crafting is unique. You commit funds to empty spaces on your trade post tracks to create items. Managing your funds is key to a robust action economy, allowing you to perform more actions each turn. Remember, the Riverfolk thrive on negotiation. Actively market your services and forge alliances to ensure a steady flow of income and points.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.